Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have forgotten your Google account password but still logged in this video I will show you how to view saved Google account passwords on your phone step by step. So let's begin. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and here go to Settings. Now scroll down and find this option called Google Password Manager and tap on it. Here you will see a list of all saved passwords. Use the search bar at the top and type Google or Gmail. Okay, now tap the account you want. To view the password, tap the eye icon and verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN or face unlock. You can also visit passwords.google.com on any browser. Log in, search for your Google account and click the eye icon to reveal the saved password. Remember, this only works if you have saved the password in Chrome or Google Password Manager. If not saved, you will need to reset your password instead. And that's how you view your Google account password if it's saved in Chrome or your device. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.